Students, now we are going to explain stanza number 3. In stanza number 3, poet also asks the same question that he asked in stanza number 1 and 2 by saying that what does he plant, who plants a tree. The poet said that what is the contribution of the planter who plants a tree, and in the upcoming lines the poet answers his own question by saying that he plants in sap and leaf and wood, in love of home and loyalty and forecast thought of civic good. In the third and final stanza, the poet's tone becomes philosophical. He says that each and every part of plant is very beneficial to us, whether it is sap. Students, sap means extract that we can get from plants root, and leaf and wood. The poet says that each and every part of plant is very beneficial to us, whether it is sap or we can say extract or juice, or we can say leaf and wood, in a love of home and loyalty. And poet further says that planter is oozed with the feeling of universal brotherhood, and he thinks his universe as his home, and he is very loyal to the citizens of our country, so he plants trees. And forecast thought of civic good. Forecast means farsighted, durdarshi. And the poet says that a planter is filled with the idea of farsighted approach, and he is filled with the idea of human welfare, so he plants more and more trees. His blessings on the neighborhood, who in the hollow of his hand holds all the growth of all our land. The poet further says that a planter showers his blessing on his neighborhood, who in the hollow of his hand, hollow means palm, palm means hatheli, and poet says that a planter holds his nation's growth in the palm of his hand. A nation's growth from sea to sea. He stirs in his heart who plants a tree. He stirs means instigate or excites. The poet says that a planter wants a nation's growth from each and every corner of this world, and he is very enthusiastic for his nation's growth, so he plants more and more trees. Students, this was the explanation of the poem Heart of the Tree. Hopefully it will be very helpful to you to understand the meaning of this poem. Thank you.